By the way, before we start, thank you so much to my YouTube subscribers. Thank you for the support. Thank you. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Alright?
Okay.
So let's get started. Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung simple steps kung paano ko nagawa. Napakadali lang, promise. Check muna natin yung page ko as an example. Okay. Yan. So, nakikita nyo, wala yung Facebook Gaming Level Up badge. Right? So, ganito ko siya ginawa. Balik muna tayo sa account ko. Tapos, punta naman tayo sa Facebook page ko.
A few moments later.
Yan. So, punta ka naman sa edit page. Mostly, may edit page dito. Pero pag wala ka naman nakikita, punta ka lang dito. Click more. Punta ka sa page controls. Edit page. Sa current template, click mo lang tong edit. Okay? Click mo tong video page. Alright. Tapos, apply template. Save. Close mo lang. Open tayo ng ibang account to double check. Okay?
Hey, that's pretty good.
Tingnan natin yung page. Okay, yan na. Meron na ulit Facebook Gaming Level Up badge. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay? Kung nakatulong itong video, don't forget to like and share to anyone. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave a comment below. I'll try to provide an answer as much as I can. Follow my FB and YouTube pages. If you want to know the equipment na ginamit ko to set up this, it's a combination of Gorilla Tripod plus Yunteng Monopod. Binili ko lang to sa SHOPEE, napakamura lang. Kung gusto mo ring mag-record ng maayos, pwede to sa'yo. To know more info, see description below. Again, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Copy and out.